Hi, this is Sia Apurva Jaisama and you're with me on G for GST, a YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to GST. We have content ranging from bare basics to intricate nuances of the GST laws. Well. What all the government does in order to ensure that there is no tax evasion. In one such move, recently the government has integrated the e-way bill portal with RFID FASTag. In this video today, we are going to understand the reasons and repercussions behind this giant technological leap. So, let's get started. This video is brought to you by Filing Hour, India's first financial services aggregation platform. Download the application from Play Store and help us connect you to a host of finance professionals. Your compliances are now just a click away. EV bills are not new to India. EV bills have been introduced in 2018 and the government has made it mandatory to ensure that every consignment clearance of value exceeding 50,000 rupees is accompanied with an EV bill. The purpose is to ensure that there is a documentation trail of all the goods that are moving in the country. The primordial purpose behind having an entire e-way bill ecosystem is to curb tax evasion, to identify and arrest instances of suppression by suppliers, to avoid clandestine clearances of goods, and also to ensure that taxes are paid wherever they are due. Now, with this e-way bill ecosystem being integrated with RFID FASTag, we are actually looking at these revenue authorities and their vigilance being more accurate, more authentic, and of course, far more real time. RFID. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification Device. This is a device that has to be, fixed at a specified location on all the trucks and conveyances, and this particular device is actually fed with information pertaining to the particulars of the goods that are on board the conveyance, like what are the goods, whom do they belong to, and where is the supplier, where is the recipient, and what is the duty amount involved on these goods, and where are they being cleared from, where are they going to, etc. etc. So basically, these RFID embedded devices are affixed on your trucks and conveyances in such a manner that, just like FASTag, they can be electronically read at the checkpost by the readers, which are situated and embarked at these checkposts. FASTag. FASTag, introduced in 2019 by the National Highway Authority of India, was aimed to digitize the entire toll collection ecosystem. Obviously, to increase transparency, to boost your toll revenues, and also to minimize manual intervention. Now we have the entire e-way bill ecosystem and the RFID enabled FASTag ecosystem, such giant, robust technological ecosystems which are coming together. So, what are we essentially looking at? We are looking at revenue authorities being more vigilant and that too on a real time basis. We are looking at reduced inspection time at checkposts. So all the time that was previously expended in stopping the conveyance, unloading the conveyance, individually verifying them can all now be done away with, or rather significantly reduced if not fully obliterated. We are also looking at the revenue authorities finally having a solution to the rampant problem of e-way bill recycling. So more often than not, the revenue authorities were faced with this challenge of how to identify instances where the suppliers are, removing multiple consignments under the cover of the same e-way bill and tax invoice. So now, finally, because of this RFID tagging, this problem can also be solved. Of course, last but not the least, with the CBIC capturing this amount of data and the CBIC being ever ready to share this kind of information with other enforcing agencies such as the CBDT or the Enforcement Directorate, any kind of clandestine clearances and suppression of turnover will not only result in penalties and confiscation under the GST and indirect tax laws, but you will also have income tax officers chasing you. So while this move did receive the in-principle approval in 2019, it did take some time for the government to make it live and functional. Now that it is, we are looking at these CBIC officers, the revenue authorities having access to significant data points that will enable them to trace and track your consignment clearances on a real-time basis. So the suggestion is now on trade and industry so that they can, plug in all the loopholes in their, internal controls, plug in those gaps and misses and ensure that taxes are paid where due. So we hope with this video you were able to get an insight into the latest developments that are happening on the e-way bill aspect of GST compliance. and show us your support by liking this video and sharing this video. To stay updated on GST, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and please do remember to leave your suggestions in the comment section down below to help us understand what kind of topics you want us to make videos on. Looking forward to hearing from you.